ANOVA test between subjects to evaluate the relationship between preferred weekend activity and mental health post-test scores. So my alternative hypothesis is that there will be a significant difference between preferred weekend activity and mental health post-test scores, and the null hypothesis is that there will be no significant difference between preferred weekend activity and mental health post-test scores. So I'm going to go to the data, hit analyze, go to compare means and proportions, all the way to one-way ANOVA. Alright, and then in my dependent list, I have the total post-test mental health scores. And then in factor, I have the question of how you prefer to spend your weekend. And so for post-hoc, I'm going to make sure Tukey is selected, continue. For options, make sure descriptive is selected, hit continue, hit OK. And here we can see that overall the p-value is less than 0.01, so we're going to accept the alternative hypothesis and reject the null. And then down here, if we look at the answer choices here, for Netflix and chill and outdoor adventures, we can conclude that the difference between the mental health post-test scores for those who chose either of these was significant because the p-value is less than 0.01. And then for Netflix and chill and napping all day, the difference between the mental health post-test scores for those two categories is not going to be significant because the p-value is greater than 0.01 in this instance. And then for outdoor adventures and napping all day, the p-value is less than 0.01, so that means that the difference between mental health post-test scores between these groups is significant.